Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to recover your WeChat account password, especially if you're unable to obtain the verification code. So you can follow up this process so that you'll be able to log in back into your account safely and securely. So open up WeChat on your device, and once you open it up, you can look out for the login option and select it. After that, you should be taken to the space right here from the given options. You can look out for the option of forgot password or choose the option by a phone number or email depending upon what's linked to your account. So you can tap on this option called enable to login. And once you select this, more, you should be given any other method to log in into your WhatsApp, into your WeChat. So here, just go over and follow up the process. And from here, just go over and follow up the process. You can select the option of link QQID instead of the mobile application or the email, and just go over and follow up the process to do so. So from the given options, if you can't receive the verification code, you can try email verification instead. Tap on linked email. After that, you can reset your password via email, etc. And tap your linked email address in this box. After that, tap on next and confirm it up, and you should be getting a code. If not, just tap on linked QQID. And from here, you can go with this option. On the login screen, tap on more options. Select the option of switch account and tap on login via Vexen ID, email, QQID, etc. And tap on next. And you may just go over and do so. And WeChat also allows recovery via trusted friends. You can look out for that option and just go over and recover. You can select up to 3 to 5 friends who can verify your identity and ask them to follow the prompts to confirm that it is you. If that does not work, what we can do is we can go to WeChat support. So go ahead and open up a browser, and from there you can go to help.wechat.com. So go to the top, search for help.wechat.com and hit enter. And once you do so, you will be taken to the WeChat page here. Look out for the option of account recovery from the given options. Let's take enable to login. After that, you should be taken with a space where you can look out for different options. You can look out for the option to fill out the form. So you can just go over and tap on one of those options and fill out the form where you can provide any necessary details such as your WeChat ID, linked phone email, description of the problem, and WeChat usually responds within 1 to 3 business days. And that is it. Also, make sure that your phone number is active. Avoid using any kind of virtual or temporary numbers and enable two-factor authentication after recovering your account. And that's it. That's how you recover your WeChat account password, even if you can't get the verification code. So if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.